मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यांनी महादाई संदर्भात कर्नाटकला पत्र लिहिल्यापासून विविध संघटना आपापल्या परीने राज्यभर निदर्शनं करतायत। या आंदोलनामध्ये आता म्युझिकल वॉरियर्स संघटनेनेही उडी घेतली आहे। त्यानुसार येत्या रविवारी पणजीतील चर्च चौकात संघटनेचे कार्यकर्ते संगीताच्या माध्यमातून सरकारचा निषेध करणार आहेत। ही माहिती संघटनेच्या नेत्यांनी शुक्रवारी पत्रकार परिषदेत दिली।
Madai or Mandavi is the lifeline of Goa. It is our mother, and no compromise for political gains will be acceptable to Goan people under any circumstances, which would undermine the interests of Goa and put the environment and ecology of Mandovi Basin into jeopardy. The group will continue to fight all such attempts with all its strength.
You know, these are the people who will be mostly affected with it along on those banks. Apart from the matter of water, also is mostly in the north, the distribution of water that is coming from Madai. These are the areas that will be basically affected. Ponda and Tiswadi Taluka are badly depending on their water requirement from the Madai River and its tributaries that are flowing in Goa. Karnataka's attempt to divert water from the Madai Basin will not only hit hard the existing 140 MLD treatment plant at Opa in Kandepar, but also the two new 25 MLD treatment plants coming up at Ganje in Usgaon and the new 27 MLD water treatment plant being constructed at Opa to meet the additional need of Tiswadi, especially at the Kadamba Plateau and the surrounding areas where water shortages are rampant.
I have a message here for our great CM Parrikar. And all that I would like to say is, I was just a musician and I was just a protester all this time. And I want to thank you for elevating us to be actors. Actors not of an ordinary drama, but of a drama which you have been directing for Goa. So please make sure that this drama goes on well. Otherwise it will be your name that is being spoiled and not of the actors. So please keep this in mind and do a good show.
I don't see the need why certain people out of their own interests, vested interests, they should try to destroy what is being blessed by God to the Goans. So I would be a part of the musical warriors, and with my musical talent I would like to fight this protest in a big way.